Morning. I've been posting about culture and this fear that senior solicitors, law firm owners have of loss of culture recently. I think a lot of it is tied up to loss of people in expensive office spaces, but let's put that to one side. We have seen repeatedly stories of junior solicitors, trainee solicitors losing their entire careers because they're working in a context where they feel unable to fess up. They're not being properly trained, they're not being properly supported, they don't feel able to tell their training principal or whoever that they've made a mistake. They're then accused of dishonesty and their career is over before it's really begun. This is just happening week in, week out. You read the Gazette. But it's becoming much, much worse. It seems to me, I've spoken to several people myself, and I have colleagues who are in networks and hearing this story on the down low, that teams are just dispersing. Solicitors are taking the opportunity to move on, to set up, to take a change of direction in their careers. And the people who are left behind are the people at the top and the people at the bottom. And the people at the bottom, the trainees and the newly qualifieds, are picking up the workload of entire teams. So we're hearing about junior lawyers working until midnight, networking, chargeable targets have increased. This is absolute madness because apart from the stress that this is putting on those junior lawyers, what about the risk to the clients? What about the inevitable professional negligence claims against the firms who are allowing this to continue? I mean, it's really time for the partners to roll up their sleeves, get stuck in and work with their juniors. This is not a time to remain on that pedestal and allow this to continue, because there's nowhere left for them to roll downhill except into your client's laps. This has got to stop. It's a huge risk. I don't want to hear any more from junior solicitors who are leaving their firms under a cloud because they have not been able to handle what's been put on them from above.